If you work with academic papers, essays, or research documents in Microsoft Word, changing your citation style is one of those small tasks that can save you a lot of time and keep your formatting consistent. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change citation style in Word in just a few clicks. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and look at the top ribbon. You'll want to click on the References tab. This is where all of Word's citation and bibliography tools are located, so if you've been searching through the wrong menus, this is the place to be. Once you're on the References tab, look for the Citations and Bibliography section. In that group, you'll see several tools related to managing sources, inserting citations, and building your bibliography. The option we need is the Style drop-down menu, which controls the citation format used throughout your document. Click the drop-down arrow next to Style and Word will show you a list of available citation formats. Depending on your version of Word, you may see options like APA, MLA, Chicago, IEEE, and a few others. Choose the style you want to use for your document. For example, if your teacher or supervisor wants APA formatting, select APA from the list. As soon as you select a new style, Word updates how your citations and bibliography are displayed. This is especially useful if you already added sources and now need to switch to a different formatting standard. Instead of manually rewriting every citation, Word does the conversion for you. If your bibliography does not update immediately, click back into the document or refresh the References section if needed. In most cases, Word applies the new style right away, but it's always a good idea to scroll through your citations and make sure everything looks correct after the change. A helpful tip here is to always double-check whether your document requires a specific style before you start citing sources. That way, you can avoid switching styles later and reduce the risk of formatting errors. If you're working on a long paper, choosing the correct style early can save you a lot of cleanup time. Also remember that citation style affects more than just their in-text references. It can also change how your bibliography or works cited page is formatted, including punctuation, capitalization, and the order of source details. So after changing the style, take a moment to review the full reference list to make sure it matches your assignment or publication requirements. And that's how you change citation style in Word. It's quick, easy, and really useful when you need to keep your references consistent with academic guidelines. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.